My name's Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. I really don't. I've been standing here trying to figure out what kind of look I wanted to do today. I was actually feeling like maybe a neutral gold champagne kind of thing with maybe a wing and a red lip. I don't know. I came across this in my collection, which I realized I haven't opened yet. This is the Covergirl Eye Enhancers quad in Coffee Shop. See, like, this is the kind of color that I'm really going for, but I've tried another one of these, of course one with like blues, greens, and teals in it, and it really didn't work well. I made it work, I made a good look with it, but they're not, at least that one was not very pigmented. I had to build and build and build and build. So, I don't know. I don't expect this to go well, but it's just sad to say, because it's, you know, it's pretty and it's cheap. But let's see what happens. I'm going to start with my dollar store brush and go into this like satin cream shade maybe. Okay, well at least there's something there. That's a start. I'm going to pick up some more. Okay. I'm going to use that to set my eyeshadow primer from crease to brow bone as usual. This one doesn't need to be that pigmented though. It's the other ones that I'm concerned about. Okay, I'm gonna do what I normally do, or at least start out that way, and then depending on how this goes, we'll see what I have to do. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics brush with a 3 on it, go into the brown. Now I'm gonna use this in a very average way. Oh, wait a minute. There's pigment there. Look. You can't really see, but it's there, believe me. I'm going to tap off a little bit, actually. Now let's see what happens. That's not bad. That's actually pretty good. I am surprised. That blue one that I still have around here somewhere, I did not do that on my channel. That was before I had the channel. It was a while back when I tried that. Maybe back in January or so. This isn't bad at all. Pretty good. Happily surprised so far. But let's see what those shimmers do. It has that vintage CoverGirl makeup smell to it. I like that. Brings me back to my roots before everything smelled like chocolate and peaches and vanilla and all that. I'm going to go in with my IBY crease brush into the same color just because I think I want a little deeper crease. Now this is really making me wonder. I mean, I'm kind of jumping ahead of the game because we didn't try the gold and the copper yet, but it's making me think and wonder what happened with that other one. Was it just because I think, as far as I know from watching other people, you know, the real makeup gurus, that like colors are harder to formulate, like neutrals are pretty easy to make. Wow, you can actually get a dark brown out of this, and easily too. I know I keep saying this, but like I'm just really surprised because the other one was sadly not very good. Alright, before I jump into the shimmers, because I'm nervous about those, I'm going to go into my dollar store brush and I'm going to use some more of the white shade or off-white just to highlight the brow bone more and just blend a little bit. Alright, no more fear, let's do this. I'm going to start with the gold. It's there, but let's see what happens. Okay, that's already not bad, let me tell you. Is it very pigmented? No. Is it decent and buildable? Yeah, it is. So we can work with this. Do I wish it had more of a pow to it? Yeah, I do. Maybe a wet brush would help with that, but I'm too lazy for that, honestly. I think you've heard me say that before. I'm too lazy for the wet brush thing. I prefer using my fingers. Happily surprised. Now, what do I want to do? I think I want to put some of the brown on my outer corner. I'm going to pick it up on my pinky. Unbelievable! Take a drink for every time I say that I'm so surprised by this. What do we got going on there? Doesn't want to go over there. Okay, I'm not going to judge that though, because honestly that could be my weird eyes. Okay, and to finish off, I'm going to go into the, I don't know, the warm brown copper kind of color. That one actually looks better. That looks better than the gold. And I'm going to blend the two together here. Wow. Take another drink. Just blend the two together a little bit. This side blended already, kind of on its own. That is nice. That was a good experience. Now, what do we want to do about the lower lash line? I feel like these might irritate my eyes if I get too close, but I mean, that's never stopped me before, right? I'm going to use this tiny brush from Wish. I'm going to go in with the gold first. My usual technique of mimicking on the lower lash line what I have done on the lid. It's in my eye. Going in with the copper next. Yeah, that one, wow, that one is definitely better than the gold. That's actually more than I wanted on my lower lash line of that color. And I'm going to finish off with the brown. Well, that got a little smokier than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. Gonna rock it. I'm gonna see if I can apply a little bit of the gold. Ooh. Okay, so that's a little flaky at times. With this little guy. It's a little better, but it's the gold itself that is, I would say, maybe the weakest shade in this little quad, but not a bad shade. I mean, if you're someone who likes this on your lid, I don't know what that's like because all I did was use it as a setting shade and a brow bone highlight. I feel like I want a wing too. Should I try a black wing? I know, who am I? I'm doing neutral looks and black wings. Alright, hopefully I won't ruin the look. So remember what this looks like. I'm going to use the Essence eyeliner pen, long lasting, extra long lasting. It's black. I figured let's keep everything affordable today since that really worked out. I'm just trying to get it going on my hand here. It's a felt tip. I don't know how good I am with that. We're gonna find out. Not great. Well, I ruined it. I went too far up by accident. Try and make it like all connect now. Darn it. Of course. Usually everything comes out worse on this eye, but the wings usually come out better on that eye. Alright, so that's it for today. I'm going to say it one more time. I'm happily surprised. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.